So we are in the beautiful Wales. We are on our way. So a nice little narrow path. For... Literally.
The fighter jets come flying through there.
We are officially in Wales. We are in Wales, and I've not actually spent tons of time in Wales. It's absolutely beautiful, and honestly, I feel blessed to be alive. Isn't this absolutely stunning? We're in a place called Fairbourne, and just look at this beach, and the view behind me is absolutely insane. That just there is my camper van.
How gorgeous.
Isn't it nice? He's going backwards. Phil, say hello. Act as if you enjoy yourself, Philip. Here. He's scratching its butt. I love to cook this onion and a barbecue, so let's get this done. So is drop it like that as one.
Yep, just put it on the top.
If you're into a barbecue breakfast. Yeah. That was fun. People have asked, where can you park? We're in these camper air places. £12 for a motorhome for up to 24 hours. Taking a moment because they say you should not let your brain run away with you, which has been made a lot easier because I've just started taking an ADHD drug called Elvance. I'm on 20 milligrams. It's so stunning. I don't know if this is just a medication. I mean, I feel like this anyway, but I just don't usually verbalize it. I'm quite I would say that I'm quite a person that holds my feelings and heart quite close to me, and I only really let very few people in. I'm just going to check out the facilities, and gonna have a really lovely gourmet meal. Literally just gonna have cheese on toast. Other facilities, but as I said, I need to pee, so you're not a part of that experience. It's like it's not quite.
Did you know that there's people in this?
So were they right? A nice little narrow path. So we've just come up to a place called Berthasol? Something like that. Do you want to just stay here? Fish and chips, and they were 25 quid.
It's 1899 and the sun's hanging low. Tracks cut the prairie where the wild winds used to blow. No more shootouts in the canyon, no more whiskey fueled nights. The dust still kicks, but the law's riding.